Apollo, no. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, mic check. We just tapped the optimal on the 15 here. 30 seconds. Needs to stay below here. If we want to continue lower, needs to stay below here. If we break above, we'll push up into this deeper zone. If we break above this, hey, no. We'll go to the hourly highs. We'll see what happens. Seven seconds. We're at the premium on ES as well. On the hourly, we already retested the imbalance, so we'll see what happens. I need QQQ to break 591.06 on the 15 minute. I need SPY to break 659.93 on the 15 minute for me to consider downside. So we'll see. Could see a push up into FOMC, which I want to see push up would be into this zone, right? Because we bounced off the 4-hour zones. So we bounced off the 4 hour 50%, the 1 hour imbalance. We held the 4 hour on the previous day low. We held it on the hourly so far. We had a shift on the 30 and the 15. So if we can break above these highs, we'll continue higher. If we stay below these highs, we'll push right back down into deeper retracement of the 4 hour. Same thing for ES. We already retested the 4 hour imbalance over here. 4 hour premium. We held the 4 hour previous day low. We held the hourly there. We're at the high of ES, so if ES breaks above here, we can continue higher into the zone that we want, which is up here, right, for ES. So we'll see. And like I said, on QQ, I need this 15-minute low right here to break. So yesterday before close, we bounced off of it. I'd want to see us break below this for continuation to the downside. So patience. No need to rush anything. Today's FOMC at 1 p.m. Central, so it is going to be a little volatile today, so just be careful, be mindful of that. Make sure you size down a little bit. We tapped the 30-minute inverse rally gap, the 15-minute premium. Nice low rejection from that zone, but we need to see ES pull back to. And before anyone asks today, am I going to be here for FOMC? My goal is to be done before FOMC, so I don't have to worry about the news. We did stay below on the 5, which is good. We could see a rejection here off NQ. Since the 5-minute is stayed below, we hit the 15-minute premium, the 30-minute inverse rally gap. I guess we could risk a 5-minute close above 525, which would wait 2.5 minutes. If we risk 20 hard point stop, that's 45. That's up there. It's like it could work here in 2 minutes. I'll do it if we have 1 minute left, depending how it is here. Because he is inspired popping, so nice little rejection so far. I guess I should have done it. It's too early. 3 minutes into the open. We need that 15 to break. Okay, if we can get the 1 minute confirmation to below this low here, then perfect. Dang, that would have been 20 points there. ES is still trying to hold up here. Yeah, AS might hold up, so I would need to see ES break below here. I'll be patient. I'll be patient. I'll wait. No need to rush. 1 minute shifted on an NQ. Let me see the shift on ES too. Oh, that would have been nice. Yo, where's everyone at? Why y'all so dead in the chat? Are y'all, can y'all hear me? Can y'all see the screen? What's going on? No good morning, no nothing? No one's up? Y'all gonna miss a play just because I don't even know if y'all can hear me or see the screen. My screen is frozen? Damn, it's going on the stream. Damn, it's selling off. Sheesh. That 5-minute closure here was key. Tapping the 30-minute inverse valley gap and the 15-minute premium was nice. It was just an open drive play. I don't want to rush into it. But look, ES and NQ, the divergence is pretty crazy, man. The 5-minute close below again, which is good. Here, Apollo. Alright, you guys are good. Yeah, ES wants to keep pushing, no, NQ wants to push down, so decisions. I need to see ES break down here too, though. Overnight lows. Damn, that trade would have been done. Or NQ, they would have been done for the day. We just had 2.5 minutes, and it was pretty volatile. I didn't want to bag us. It's cool. Yeah, NQ selling off while ES inspired lagging here. QQ's already at previous day low. We're already at previous day low here for QQQ. So either this is a sweep of QQQ and ES inspire holding us, so that it'll push from here. Still 1 hour low too. What a fucking sell off from my zone. Wow, bro, that was beautiful. ES didn't like weekly. I don't even know where my weekly opens at. It's not even marked up. That's weird. Huh? That's weird. There goes ES trying to reject now. Retesting the daily open though. Like I said, QQ possibly sweeping the previous day low. If it sweeps this and holds this low here, then we can long it. But I can't chase short no more. Damn, bro. Should have took the risk. Should have, could have, would have. Whatever. Apollo, what are you doing? Apollo, come here. Come here. What are you doing, bro? Come here. Come here. Apollo. I know you hear me. Come here. You want me to get up, bro? Hey. What are you doing? Come here. Fucking dog. Your weekly keeps moving? Yeah, I don't even know where my weekly opens at. I just realized that. It's not even marked up. Huge divergence. Damn, would have been done. I just didn't want to risk it. And that was an A+ setup, guys. That was an A+ setup. But it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. We'll catch it right now. 60 points. QQ is at the 1 hour. Bro, look at. Oh my god. Look at QQ. Look at SPY. SPY's chilling. Yeah, this is actually insane. If we can tap here for QQ, we can see a nasty bounce. Yeah, ES is holding daily open here. I mean, we could risk longs and risk 1 minute closure below this low for ES. Could risk the longs like that since we're at the 4 hour 50% again. We're at the 1 hour low. We have 20 minutes for the 1 hour, so that's a strong selling. You don't want to fight the trend. We just tapped the 1 hour imbalance on QQQ. We have 4 minutes for the 15 minute. Let's see how this minute closes. ES held that low. Could try buys and risk the 1 minute low on ES. I don't think it's going. Retesting daily open, so this could possibly break it now. And the thing that's gonna suck here, the 15-minute close, SPY's gonna hold and QQ's gonna close below. So yeah, NQ's bearish, ES is bullish. That was so beautiful, Jordan. Fucking idiot, bro. That was so fucking. That's like perfect setup. It's just an open drive play, bro. Just risky. ES keeps holding, guys. ES keeps holding here. NQ is just selling off while ES is holding. Sheesh. 30 seconds. You know what? I'm gonna take a risk here on some buys with ES. I'm gonna risk the 1 minute here on ES at 20 something seconds. Let's see if this pays me a little bit. Come on, baby. 8 seconds. 5, 4. Alright, break even stops here. Break even stops. We're about 8 points. Just because ES held it. There you go. Nice, nice. 10 points here. 10 points on those buys. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 16 points here. 16 points. Trimming a few here. Stops break even. Remember, risk free trade now. ES held that low, so great risk reward there. Beautiful. It doesn't, bro. Why MM? It doesn't matter, MM. You should know this better than anyone, bro. Why are you asking that dumbass question? Come on, bro. Lock in, for real. Alright, I need to chill. For real, today's not a day to troll, guys. For real. Anyone that trolls today, I will kick y'all out. I'm not even joking today. Like, I don't want you to mess up anyone. So, and y'all laughing. I'm being for real. And ES closed below, so we can stop break even. We can stop break even. And ooh, 70. I get stopped. I just got stopped there. Yep. Got stopped break even. At least I was able to make some money today. Nice trade, nice trade. ES broke the 1 minute, so we should see continuation to the downside. NQ should pretty much sell off into the overnight lows. Obviously, I'd want to see a healthy retest of the 50%. So if we can pop to 502 on NQ, then we can see a retest there to continue lower. No one alerted that, bro. What are y'all doing? My bad, chat. My bad for the people that aren't live, bro. Fuck, I gotta find someone reliable. Yeah, ES selling off after that break. There's nothing to retest on the 1 minute on ES, so we really shouldn't pop unless it wants to retest the daily open. Let's look at the 5 minute. Nothing to retest on the 5 either, so we should just continue selling off. At least overnight lows on NQ, which that's just the beginning. I really want us to get down to 24 390 ish. Just because no one posted it, so I'll update you guys. To go say an open retest on ES after the 1 minute shift. That could be a retest to sell off. I want to see the 5 minute retest. So let's see if we can get pretty much 24,500. If we get the 24,500, that would be good. 0DT, be careful, bro. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Please, 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 bro. You have the confirmation to the downside now. Please be careful, bro. One minute broke, 5 minute didn't. So, ooh, that's a nasty number. There's that 5 minute retest on NQ here. If you're gonna take this, your risk, you can do the same 5 minute high. 24 525, so you're risking about 30 points. That's a big risk. QQQ retesting previous day low as well. I mean, all the confidence is here to short it to continue down lower. We didn't even tap the 1 hour imbalance. Let's see if we get a deeper return. Let's see if we tap this imbalance then. That'd be less risk. I'll be risking about 13 points here. I would have felt better if ES would have broke it on the 5 minute though. If we don't get the move I want here, I'm happy with calling it a day after that trade. So yeah, Boza. Yeah, happy made your money. You're done for the day. Good, bro. Yeah, no reason to overtrade it on the day of FOMC, to be honest. I'll only take it again if we can get 512. It's less risk for me. Here I'm risking 30 points, and ES is trying to push, and the 5 minute held. So just looking at everything, I want to make sure I'm making the right decision before jumping the gun here. Back to 2K. Okay. Here's the push we get on NQ. There's that 512. ES at the high. Retested a 30-minute imbalance on ES there. This is right here. 1 minute risk above the high would be your stop loss. So far, a nice move from that 512. ES bounced off weekly open. ES is the one just kind of a little scary here. It's a 40-something point bounce. I'm gonna try the buys and hard stop at 5:30. Hard stop at 5:30. 5 minute close above 525 is my stop, but nice. There you go, 10 points. Break even stops. Actually, I'm gonna take a few off so I can make some money on these. Yeah, break even stops now. And I will always love you. And I just got stop break even. You took buys? I'm sorry, did I say buys? I meant sales. Well, it worked out for you. I meant sales, my bad. Holy shit. Wait, I said buys or you said buys? I said buys, my bad. Or if you're in buys, you can get the fuck out. Man. Yeah, I meant sales. Well, at least I caught 10 points on it. You knew I meant sales? Yeah, you guys knew what I meant. Like, never run. If y'all took buys, y'all up. But yeah, we caught a little 10 points on those sales. You cut your sales when you said buys. Hey, at least it worked out as you were the team. I gotta agree. It's okay. My bad, guys. My bad. That's never happened to me. My bad. That's my fault. I mean, I gave you guys a stop loss level, so you guys know I meant sells. I said 530 was a stop loss. Yeah, strange morning. Yeah, it's with ES is confusing here. So I'm sitting out now. Now that I got stop break even on those cells, I'm sitting out. ES is pushing. ES is pushing. NQ is pushing as well. If the 5 minute shifts on 5:25 on NQ, then I'll look to go long. Till then, I'll look to go short if we get a 1 minute shift below, pretty much below 497. I'll look to go short again. Yeah, if we can break below here, I'll look to go short. Till then, I'm just gonna sit out. You sold too early. Yeah, my fault, guys. That's my fault. It's because Eminem pissed me off already. He pissed me off this morning. He's the one that threw me off. So we're gonna blame it on him. This is what I mean. Like, no trolling, no dumb shit while we're trading. Because then y'all throw me off my game. Oh my god. Jeez Louise. Well, at least those buys went. Now that motherfucker wants to alert that. Yeah, I'll just remove it. The 1 minute held. Hey, those cells would have paid. Okay. If we get the shift on ES and NQ here, then that'll be good. You were still in cells. Took all your scalps. You were in cells. Nice. Wildin', bro. Wildin'. Let's see if we get the shift. On both. QQ almost tapped the daily open. We did break on the 15 minute on NQ on SPY too though, so that's good confirmation as well. He just kept the hard stop. Okay. I mean, the structure's still valid on the 5 minute. For me, I just need the confirmation now on the 1 minute. Yeah, we're holding the lows. We need to see the shift, man. We need to see the shift. Oh my fucking shoulders. Yes, at the low. I guess it does one. Okay, 1 minute shifted on NQ. We didn't even retest the imbalance though. ES broke also. 506. Yeah, this is a tough call here. Either we bounce off this 5 minute imbalance here to retest a 1 minute imbalance here to sell off, or we just continue to sell off hard here. Decisions. I think we continue to sell off pretty hard here without the retest. ES is pretty much retesting daily open, so this can be what sends it down lower. I want to see 506 as that's the imbalance tab. So bullish 5 minute imbalance, inverted value gap here to push into that 1 minute bearish imbalance would make sense. We're just chopping around here, bro. But I really think we get that 56. Yeah. What would be my risk? My risk on NQ is 1 minute close above 520. I'd be risking 34 points. Alright, I'm gonna try light size sells here. ES is retesting daily open, so I'd want to see the continuation to the downside here into overnight lows. I feel like we really can get it. So I'm gonna add some starters here. It is a bigger risk, so a little bit less size for me, but I'm willing to write it down to the overnight lows. If we can get up here and stay below the high, then I'll scale in 506. But ES is retesting. We could possibly even just retest this imbalance here. I wouldn't even be mad at that. If If we can retest that, that would be nice. And then continue down lower or just sell off from here. I want the overnight lows though. Give me the 56. Looks like we're just stuck in this range for now, but SPY broke 15-minute retesting pretty much daily open. It's right at daily open right now, so it's just a continuation here. Let's see if we can get that. Nice, 10 points here, guys. 10 points on those sells. Let's get the overnight lows. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. 15 points here, guys. 15 points. Break even stops for me now. Break even stops. Alright, let's write these to the overnight lows. Like I said, that was a retest on ES of the daily open. It could still pop into 670. SPY is below the daily open, so which is good. QQ as well. QQ is below previous day low, so we should see the continuation here. I hope I said sells, right? I did say sells. I didn't mess up this time. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't want to fuck up. I want us to be done already before FOMC, so if we can just get overnight lows, I'm done for the day. I'll be super happy. Yeah, I'm paranoid. Yeah. Nah, it's cause they threw me off in the morning, bro. Like I'm so serious. That's why I hate when you guys troll during market hours, because it doesn't just fuck me up, it fucks it up for all of you guys. You know? That's why I hate it. I hate when people play around. But nice. 20 points here, guys. 20 points. 20 points. And I don't ever blame it on anyone, but shit like that really pisses me off. Like, especially if you guys been in the room for such a long time and you ask dumbass questions. Nice. Let's go. 30 points. Give me my money. 30 points. Moving down my stop. 30 points, baby. Come on. We got the overnight. TP hit. Make sure to manage. I'll say it one more time. TP hit. Make sure to manage some of your positions here. Please. Make sure to manage, guys. Alright, YouTube. I'm in the stream.